swap or insert a logo in this Google Sheet, you will have to click on the cell that you want to add the logo to, go to Insert, select Image. You can either select an image in the cell or select an image over the cells. So I recommend doing this because the way that we design is just nice for you to place a logo and not too big and too small. So just do this, insert an image in the cell and click browse, and here you would have to, let's say, select your logo. So for example, I have this threads logo here. You can select it and you can ignore this and click OK. Then this logo will be updated here in your tracker. So that is basically how you add the logo.